Hello students, today we will study about Human Development Report and Sustainability of the Development. Human Development Report. Once it is realized that even though the level of income is important, yet it is an inadequate measure of level of development. We have realized from the table 1.4 and 1.3 that level of income is not enough to compare the different places, different cities, different states or different nations. We have to think about the other criteria also. There could be a long list of such criterion, but then it would be not so useful. What we need is small number of most important thing, health and education indicator. There are many criteria to compare the different countries, but it is not possible to use all these criteria. So, to make it easy, to make it an important comparison, we are using two important indicators, that are health and education, such as one we use in comparison of Kerala and Haryana. Are among them over the past decade or so, health and education indicators have come to be widely used along with income as a measure of development. So over a past decade, health and education have also become an important indicator along with the income. For instance, Human Development Report published by UNDP. The full form of UNDP is United Nations Development Program. UNDP program is a program. It is a development network which works in 170 countries to develop these countries. It compares countries based on the educational levels of people, their health status and per capita income. It would be interesting to look at certain relevant data regarding India and its neighbor from Human Development Report 2016. Here, the data of year 2015 is given. Different columns indicate different information, like country. The next column is GNI, gross national income, life expectancy at birth, mean years of schooling of people aged 25 and above, and the last column shows SDI rank in the world 2016. According to the status, according to the development, different countries are given different rank. According to the rank, Sri Lanka stands at 73 rank. India is 131. It means a small country like Sri Lanka is far ahead of India in every aspect, whereas our country India rank only 131. It means Sri Lanka is more developed than our country India. GNI of Nepal and Bangladesh is lower than India, but in case of life expectancy rate, Nepal and Bangladesh is ahead of India. It means life expectancy rate is higher in Nepal and Bangladesh. Life expectancy rate means at birth denote, as the name suggests, average expected length of life of a person at a time of birth. It means the health condition of these two countries, Nepal and Bangladesh, is better than India. Many improvements have been suggested in calculating SDI and many new components have been added to Human Development Report. But by prefixing human to development, it has made it very clear that what is important in development is what is happening to citizens of a country. It is people, their health, their well-being that is most important. Do you think that there are certain other aspects that should be considered in measuring human development? So, in short, while comparing the different countries, three important indicators are there. The first important indicator is the income, second is health, and third is education.